What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. Before final assembly, I just want to summarize what I did. This is Russian Decapod, Bachmann Spectrum. I think earlier days when they tried to do DCC ready. Right now you're buying them with sound decoders, which is, yes, you're spending more, but it's already done. This one DCC ready. So first of all, I'm taking the board away. That's original board. It's bulky, and a long time ago I have an issues. It burned like decoder on me. Anyway, so I did broadcast on DCCTRAIN Plus, Russian speaking channel. We just I'm streaming and we talking about different things. So, and I got a question, I think, why I'm opening boiler, because I'm changing bulb to LED. Same thing here. If you see that thing, I'm going to clip it, and then I'll just go directly glue that LED and solder it. Okay, using Railmaster Hobby speaker. It's very powerful for that small space. Soundtracks decoder per customer request. I tried to use NixTrain's decoder body, but it's not a lot of room for it. So even I have in this ESU 21 pin board, I have to cut just part of it. It will be on double-sided tape anyway. Current keeper, I think I'm good with this size. If not, I'm going to use the long one. That's, I believe, version 2, but it's the same amount of capacitors. Means it's doing the same thing. So it's tough to open the boiler. Yes, so it's very a lot of involved. First you need to disconnect a bunch of pipes. Also it's going like this way. I'm not sure, I don't think so they changed construction right now, but it's really tough job. Anyway, so I tried to do like live broadcast, even like try to record it how I'm doing, but no, mostly you can see my fingers with pink finger coats. It's actually for better for you to see what I'm doing. And that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like support channel, there is join membership button under every single video. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.